Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I have a thrifted vase that I embellished with Beebeecraft items. I'm going to make a floral arrangement, so come on with me, guys. Now I have to say that all of the florals did come from the Dollar Tree. As I said, the vase was thrifted and all of the embellishments came from Beebeecrafts. Now I am a Beebeecraft ambassador, and I'm going to be linking below the website, the 10% discount code that they have given me for 10% off of your order, and the embellishments that I'm using will be down below. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, the Dollar Tree is carrying amazing florals. I cannot believe, you see them sitting there and you would think I purchased them at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or any one of those stores. They're really improving on their stuff, and this is not a sponsored video. I may not be sponsoring Dollar Tree, but I am sponsoring Beebeecraft, because I am a Beebeecraft ambassador and I can vouch for the quality of all of their items. Now I can also say what I'm holding in my hand are peach stems, and I am so impressed by all this. I previously got the lime stems and I have gotten tons of lemons, so they are really stocking up on that stuff for this summer. So those are peach stems that we're starting out this arrangement with. Alright, so I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end of the video. that this floral arrangement came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope that you agree. Let's head on over to the review. Now remember, I have a discount code for 10% off of your total order. Head on over to the Beebeecraft website, guys. You won't be disappointed of the things that you will find. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.